Welcome back, audio adventurers. Today, we're diving deep into a magical world that can transform your tracks from the mundane to the extraordinary. We're tackling a facet of music production that's often overlooked but can create powerful impacts when executed right. Let's explore the art of harmonizing using pitch correction creatively. Now, you may think pitch correction is just for fixing off-key notes, but trust me, it's so much more. It's a tool that can unlock a whole new dimension of sound and emotion in your mixes. So, grab your favorite pair of headphones, because we're about to explore how to use pitch correction, not just as a crutch, but as an inspiring instrument in itself. First, let's talk about why you should consider pitch correction as a creative tool, rather than just a fix-it button. At its core, pitch correction can act as an instrument, allowing you to sculpt and shape the vocal landscape of your track. By leveraging its capabilities, you can craft harmonies that may not have been possible or intuitive to create naturally. Imagine having the power to build a choir out of a single vocal track, layering voices in perfect harmony, or finding that perfect blend between human and machine. It's about harnessing its potential to elevate the emotional impact of your music. The most engaging application of pitch correction is in constructing vocal harmonies. When done creatively, it can add depth and body to a laid vocal, giving it a fuller sound. Start by duplicating your main vocal track. Apply your pitch correction software to one of the tracks and set it to a musical interval that complements the original note. Common intervals include thirds, fourths, and fifths, but don't be afraid to experiment with more unique intervals to add intrigue. The key is to use your ears and decide what feels right for your particular track. It's like composing a vocal symphony, with each track performing its unique part. Blend them together to see how they interact and affect the overall tonality. By automating the pitch correction settings at different parts of the song, you can create dynamic shifts in harmony that evolve as the song progresses, making your track more engaging and immersive. Moving on, another intriguing approach is using pitch correction to create entirely new melodies. This technique can be especially useful during a breakdown section, where the energy dips and you want to shift the listener's attention. By adjusting the pitch correction parameters, you can generate new melodic ideas from existing vocals. Begin by isolating a vocal phrase that you believe carries emotional weight. Apply pitch correction and experiment with drastically changing the pitch to create a melody that weaves in and out of the original track. It's like painting with sound, where the brushstrokes are the notes themselves. This can create unexpected musical moments that inject fresh energy and surprise into the piece. A creative twist here can be to automate the form and settings alongside pitch. This subtle manipulation can morph the vocal character, making it sound as if different singers are performing, adding layers of texture and appeal. Let's explore the solace and beauty of using pitch correction for ambient textures. This is where you take your vocal track and transform it into an almost ethereal, haunting soundscape. Think of it as creating a vocal pad, a rich bed of sound that supports the rest of your arrangement. To achieve this, begin by heavily processing your vocal track with reverb and delay. Once drenched in ambience, apply pitch correction to shift its key progressively or randomly, creating a continuously evolving sound. These shifts can create a choral effect, reminiscent of spacious cathedral-like reverberations, which can be particularly striking in electronic or ambient genres. Layer these processed tracks subtly in the background of your mix, and watch as they guide emotions, gently pulling the listener into the heart of your music. By now, I hope you see pitch correction not just as a correction tool, but as a vast playground for creativity. Like any tool in audio production, the key to mastery lies in experimentation and an open mind. I encourage you to explore pitch correction with a curious spirit. Try building unexpected harmonies, crafting new melodies, or constructing ambient textures? What uncharted territory can you uncover in your own music? Share your sonic discoveries in the comments below. And don't forget to subscribe for more tips and tricks on making your music productions truly stand out. Until next time, keep pushing those creative boundaries and happy producing.